how to get Google Tasks and Google Sheets. So in this video, I'll show you how to get Google Tasks in Google Sheets. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Sheets on your device. So these are the list on my Google Tasks. So as you can see, I have 3 lists in here. So to be able to get and synchronize your Google Tasks to Sheets, go ahead and open Google Sheets, and then from here, go ahead and open a blank document. So in here, go ahead and head over into the Extensions tab, which you'll find at the top of your screen in between the Tools and the Help section. So you need to go ahead and install the 123 Sync Google Tasks extension on your device. So go ahead and click on extension and then click on add-ons and then click on get add-ons and then use the search bar to search for that. So 123 Sync for Google Tasks. So once you find that, go ahead and click on that and that will take you here. So once you're in the section, click on the install button and then select the Google account which you want to use to install this extension to. So you need to give this extension the permission to access your Google Tasks and your Google Sheets. And then once you have authorized it, you can go ahead and start using it. So once this reload, this will pop on your page. So you'll find this different sections on your sheet. So you'll find the info sheet, the task sheet, and the add task sheet. So let's start with syncing the current task on your Google Tasks to your sheet. So to do that, go ahead and click on extension. So make sure that you're on the task tab and then go ahead and click on 123 Sync for Google Tasks and then click on list all tasks. So all of the tasks that you have on Google Tasks would be synced on your sheet in this section. So as you can see, that has been placed here. So to add tasks, you need to go ahead and head over to the add task section and then in here go ahead and select the task list where you want to add this, the task title, the task description, and the due date of this task. So once you have incorporated that information, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and click on the extensions tab again and then click on 123 Sync and then click on add tasks. So all of the tasks that you have listed on the add task sheet would be added to your Google Tasks on the list that you have indicated there. And that is how you can basically get Google Tasks in Google Sheets. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.